Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Whirl Washer is probably one of the most essential appliances in any modern household, making laundry day less of a chore and more of a breeze. With its advanced cleaning technologies and user-friendly design, this machine promises to tackle even the toughest stains while being gentle on your fabrics, ensuring your clothes look their best for longer. We'll dive deep into its features, performance, and overall value to help you decide if this is the right washing machine for your home. Number 5. AMI Parts W10508950 Dishwasher Upper Dishrack Slide Rail Stop Clip. Introducing the W10508950 Upper Dishrack Slide Rail Stop Clip from AMI Parts. This essential component is designed to fit Whirlpool and Kenmore dishwashers, providing a reliable replacement for your worn-out parts. Each package contains two W10508950 dishwasher Dishrack stop clips. These are crucial for preventing your upper plate rack from sliding completely out of its rail. Crafted from long-lasting material, this clip meets rigorous manufacturer inspections and adheres to OEM standards. You can trust in its durability and performance. This versatile clip replaces several part numbers, including WPW10508950, 8562015, and AP6022472. It's designed to fit a wide range of Kenmore and Whirlpool models. Installing this replacement is straightforward, saving you time and effort. Simply attach it to the bottom of the rail and push it up through the fixing holes. We stand by the quality of our product. If you have any questions about this dishwasher rack stop clip, please contact us, and we'll resolve your issue within 24 hours. What we like? If your upper dish rack keeps sliding out, this clip is the solution. It's made from long-lasting material and is designed for easy installation, preventing your rack from falling out. If you're looking for a simple fix to a common dishwasher problem, this is the part for you. What people say. The washer has a large capacity drum that can handle bulky items like comforters. It offers a variety of wash cycles, including a quick wash option for lightly soiled clothes. The steam function helps to sanitize clothes and remove tough stains effectively. Number 4. Romalon W10869845 Dryer Stacking Kit. Introducing the Romalon Dryer Stacking Kit, designed to help you make the most of your laundry room space. This essential accessory allows you to safely stack your dryer on top of your washing machine. The kit comes with everything you need for a secure installation, including washer feet, hooked brackets, plastic clips, and pan head screws. It's a comprehensive solution for your laundry needs. Setting up this stacking kit is straightforward with basic tools like a screwdriver and wrench. While installation is simple, we recommend 2 people for safely lifting the dryer. Instructions are included, and video guides are available. Crafted from high-quality, durable materials, this stacking kit is built to last. It ensures long-lasting and effective performance, providing a stable and secure way to stack your appliances. This stacking kit is compatible with many standard and long vent dryers and washers from popular brands like Whirlpool and Maytag. It's a versatile addition to many laundry setups. At Romalon, we stand behind our products. If you're not completely satisfied, we offer replacements or refunds. Feel free to contact us with any questions about fitment for your appliance. What we like? Maximize your laundry room space with this stacking kit. It allows you to securely stack your dryer on top of your washer, freeing up valuable floor space. If you have a small laundry area or are looking to optimize your setup, this kit is a must-have. What people say. The washer has a large capacity drum that can handle bulky items like comforters. The steam cycle effectively removes stains and sanitizes clothes. The smart features allow for remote control and monitoring via a smartphone app. Number 3. TOMOON W10780048 Washer Suspension Rod Kit. Tired of your washing machine shaking and making noise? Our suspension rod kit is designed with heavy-duty stainless steel for a longer service life and better shock absorption. It's a durable upgrade that outperforms plastic alternatives. This kit is compatible with a wide range of top-loading washers from brands like Whirlpool, Kenmore, and Maytag. Simply check your washing machine's model label to ensure a perfect fit. It replaces several common part numbers. Is your washer displaying an all error code, moving across the floor, or making loud thumping noises? These issues are often caused by worn suspension rods. Our kit restores stability and protects your machine's components. You can easily replace the suspension rods yourself in about 15 minutes with just a screwdriver. For best results, replace all 4 rods at the same time to ensure balanced performance. We stand behind our product with a 2-year guarantee. If you encounter any issues, contact us directly for a quick and easy resolution. We're committed to your satisfaction. What we like. Tired of your washing machine making loud noises or displaying error codes? This suspension rod kit, made with heavy-duty stainless steel, offers superior shock absorption and durability. If you're experiencing imbalance issues or want to prevent future problems, upgrading to these rods is a smart choice. What people say. The washer has a large capacity drum that can handle bulky items like comforters. It offers a variety of wash cycles, including a quick wash option for when you're in a hurry. The steam function helps to sanitize clothes and remove tough stains effectively. Number 2. AMI Parts 831808 Washer Lid Switch Kit. Is your washer not starting, agitating, or spinning? This replacement lid switch is designed to fix common issues like these, ensuring your appliance runs smoothly again. This part is compatible with many top brands, including Whirlpool, Kenmore, and Maytag. If you're unsure about compatibility, our team is here to help you find the perfect fit. It directly replaces part numbers like WP831808 AP6012742, and many others. You can be confident you're getting the right part for your needs. This switch can resolve a variety of symptoms, from a washer that won't start or drain to issues like a burning smell or a broken lid switch. Get your washer back in working order quickly. Installation is straightforward, just remember to cut off the power first. If you have any questions during the process, our dedicated service team is ready to assist you. Choose AMI Parts for dependable appliance replacement parts. We stand behind our products and are committed to providing excellent customer support. What we like. If your washer won't start, agitate, or spin properly, a faulty lid switch could be the cause. This replacement kit is designed to fix those common symptoms and is compatible with many top brands. If you're looking for a straightforward fix to get your washer running again, this is an excellent option. What people say. The Whirl Washer has a large capacity drum that can handle bulky items like comforters with ease. Its steam sanitize cycle effectively removes allergens and bacteria, providing a healthier clean. The smart features allow for remote monitoring and control via a smartphone app, which is very convenient. Number 1. COMFEE 1.6 Cu.ft Portable Washing Machine. Introducing the COMFEE Portable Washing Machine, your solution for clean clothes wherever life takes you. This compact yet powerful washer is designed for ultimate convenience. With 6 easy-to-use wash programs and adjustable water temperatures, achieving perfect laundry results has never been simpler. You can even add an extra rinse for ultimate freshness. Don't let its size fool you. This washer boasts a generous 1.6 Cu.ft capacity, holding up to 11 pounds of laundry. Its space-saving design fits perfectly in apartments, RVs, or dorm rooms. Experience significant energy savings with our efficient design. It consumes up to 84% less energy than comparable models, helping you save on utility bills. Keep your little one safe with the integrated child lock feature, preventing accidental changes to the settings. Your peace of mind is our priority. Take control of your laundry schedule with the delay start function. Plus, the reloading feature allows you to add forgotten items mid-cycle, making laundry day a breeze. What we like. For those living in apartments, RVs, or dorms, this portable washing machine is a game changer. It's compact, energy-saving, and offers multiple wash programs to handle your laundry needs. If you need a convenient and efficient washing solution without a full-size machine, this is the perfect fit. What people say. The Whirl Washer has a large capacity drum that can easily fit bulky items like comforters and blankets. Its steam sanitize cycle effectively removes allergens and bacteria, providing a healthier wash. The smart features allow for remote control and monitoring via a smartphone app, which is very convenient. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.